Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Previous sections we are watching pull down concept. You can press the switch. Control is getting 5 volt. It is the positive logic concept. Today we are going to learn how to interface push button in negative logic. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. So today I am directly going to in programming sections. So I want to open in MPLAB X IDE, press the file, new project. I want to create for new project file. So microchip embedded, then application project, then click it on next. So I want select for controllers PIC16F877A, PIC16F877A. Then I want go to directly next. Then XCC 8 compiler, then again click next. Then project name also 4 dot. Previously I will created for 3 dot switch positive logic. Now I want since the file name is 4 dot switch negative logic. Switch underscore negative logic. So now I want click it in finish. So inside negative logic file is created is done. Okay, that switch negative logic file is created done. So now I want click it for source file. That source file main.c file is not created. So I want right click new, then main.c file that is showing for new main. So I want remove for new main, new. So main.c. So now I want click it in finish. .c file is created, then file's name, then author name, created on August 23, 2026, 5:32 p.m. Okay, as include xc.h, void main, void. So I want write it in form negative logic code. So I want write it in first TRISP, TRISP. This is the case sensitivity. So you can write it in TRIS or port is caps only. So 0x01. So previous videos why I want put in 0x01. That explanation is previous video. You can saw the previous video. Now I want to directly go to directly programming and simulation file. So port B also equal to 0x00. Then while off. So while also case sensitivity. So while open bracket close bracket and inside close open bracket inside is put for 1. It is a infinity loop. So open bracket if switch. Okay, switch is connected to RB not. So RB not is pressing time is getting 0 volt mean LED is on. So this is now we are discussing about the negative logic concept. So RB not equal to 0. That time LED on always on. So RB not equal to 0. So open calibrations inside RB7 equal to 0. Previous video you can press the switch. That time microcontroller is getting for 5 volt. That's why controller is understanding for 1. That's why I checked for RB not equal to 1. Now microcontroller initially getting the 5 volt. So you can press the switch. That time is microcontroller is getting for 0 volt. That's why I write it code in RB not equal to 0, RB7 equal to 1. LED is turn on. Next else condition, whenever I am not pressing the switch, that control LED is going to low state. So I want press I write the command function else open bracket close bracket RB7 equal to 0. 7 equal to 0 end of line semicolon. This is the switch past negative logic program. So this code you want any doubts you can leave them in comment section. I will reply in shortly. So file production then build a main project. Why I want production build main project mean it is generated for hex file. That after that you can see the Proteus simulation. Otherwise hex file is don't generate mean it is not possible to show the output in Proteus simulation file. So I want every project is built in production build a main project. At that time only is generating for hex file. Okay. So now I want open in Proteus file. So this Proteus file already opened. So I want now closing. Then how to previous Proteus simulation file. So I want to open in Proteus in my search bar windows. I click it in Proteus. Okay. Already I draw the one Proteus simulation file. How to open? So file, open project, your project location. Example this PC, local disk D, my files, EDU product lab, UT PIC16F877A English program, switch negative logic and positive logic. Previously I completed for positive logic, so switch positive logic, so switch PL, so here switch PL PDS, so I want to click it that file. So I need for use that switch previous positive logic file, I want to use it for negative logic also. So file is opened, is done. So once you can click it in file, save project as, you want clone the file, so save project as, you can go back to your negative logic file location. So negative logic file location you can mention for switch NL, so PL previously mentioned, now you can mention for NL, negative logic. So file is created, is done. So I want change the input pins, so here is connected to 5 volt, I want connected to ground, so delete wire, here also delete wire. So previously resistor is connected to ground, now resistor is connected to 5 volt. So this switch is connected to directly ground. So now switch is initially connected to ground, that resistor is connected to 5 volt. Anyway, microcontroller continuously receiving the 5 volt. Whenever you are pressing the switch, that controller is receiving 0 volt. That's why I mentioned in code, if condition RB0 equal to 0, RB7 equal to 1. Otherwise, RB7 equal to 0. Condition is true, LED is turned on. Condition is false, LED is turned off. So the IC, then showing for program file. So I want to click it in negative logic file. So distance, default, protection, hex. Then I click it in OK. This file already saved in this processor clock frequency default 4 MHz is default setted. Okay, now you click in OK. So I want play the file. That time showing for nothing to LED is turned on. So anyway controller is getting the 0 volt, that time only LED is on. So I want press the switch, LED is turned on. So now is controller getting for 0 volt, that condition is true, LED is turned on. So I want remove the switch, the controller is getting to initially 5 volt, that controller is going to 0, LED is 0. So that else statement is running. So applications of switch interfacing: industrial automation, robotics, smart home automation systems, medical equipment, security systems, consumer electronics, vending machines, elevators, controllers, ATM machines, automotive dashboards. If you now clearly understand the concepts of how to interface push button in negative logic, if this explanation helped you understand the concept, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Need help with final year projects, mini projects or IEEE projects, contact on WhatsApp. Type to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.